¿Está grabando? ¿Ah? Hey, look at what's going on over here in Ohio, puñeta. Check this out, coño. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. This is part of the hotel next to the Pilot truck stop over here. And that's the Pilot over there. You can even see half of the trucks. That's one of the cars over here. And you can see that he's stuck right there. He hasn't moved, so it's at least 2 feet. Right there, or 3 feet. Luis, párate allí al lado de la nieve. There you go. That's the car. And look at that. At least 2 feet. Easy. Yep. Car right there. Guess they cleaned up a little bit over here. Look at the mess all over the place. Yep. Bad, bad, bad. Very bad. Here we are walking. Spanglish and English, nevando, still snowing over here. Look at this mess right there. How high it is. Yeah, we're in Franklin, Ohio. We are visiting Ohio for the many, many times. And it really sucks today. Look at that. Look at that mess, huh? Beautiful. This is beautiful. Yeah, I'm ready to put my bikinis on and drink some pina colada. How about that? Huh? Yeah, look at this crap right here, baby. Párate ahí. Look at this crap. Huh? How do you like that? Look at that. Crappy, crappy. A lot of snow. A lot of snow. All right.